If you have a cat or kitten who loves to play and who doesn't, let me talk to you about this. This is the Migipaws football. Now, you can charge it up really easily via a USB-C connection. That's going to light up red once it's charging. You then have enclosed in the box 2 accessories, and I tend to only use one at a time, and of course your football. Now, these attach to your football. You simply slide the loop in. I'm going to let them have both. Just feed the loop through, and there you have it. Now, how this actually works is that flips round, and when it's on the floor, that kind of propels it. She's off. Come back. As you can see, she's hunting, she's playing, she's having a great time. Migipaws really do create the most amazing cat toys, in my opinion. My cat loves them, and the fact that you can usually buy added on accessories is a great thing. Do you like your football?